JT's keys and wallet. There we go.
Hey, good morning. How's it going? Welcome back to the vlog.
You stoked or what?
So I'm modifying the Huracan today.
Modifying the Huracan, talking about what wrap.
Why does he got to do the butt thing?
I already saw the title.
I know, you guys know this. Getting rid of McLaren.
We'll get the McLaren.
Right.
I'll tell you why I'm selling it.
Hold on, I gotta put my shoes on.
Look at this lineup we have here.
What do we got?
C8 Corvette, which you guys probably
The La C8, Aperta,
I'll get a little bit sick of seeing you drive the same car all the time. Where's the other cars? Where are they?
The Huracan is at California Motorsports and at Sheepy Race. So it's getting all dialed in at Sheepy, just a fresh service, getting a firmware update on the Motec. And I also had the complete front end redone. For good reason. I drove it into a K-Rail at the Hoonigan Burnyard, if you don't forget. Quick clip, Jamie? So yeah, there was that. My car underneath all the liveries, all the wraps is actually Rosso Mars. Beautiful red color.
Beautiful.
So I had it repainted. The fenders from Vorsteiner and my bumper were never painted because I always was gonna wrap it in the beginning. Now they're beautifully painted and it'll be back in Canada in about 2 weeks, along with my Murcielago, which you probably are also wondering, where the is that car? Well, as you know, I was getting the engine rebuilt and we had some bigger problems than expected. So we handled those. The Mercy has the engine in it. It's good to go. I'll give you the update on the wrap, the color and all that in about a week and a half, because it'll also be coming back to Canada and we'll do a full reveal and a full teardown on what happened to that car and where has it been for the last 9.5 months.
Gosh, it sounds good.
I said, God damn!
Look at that. I think I need a GT2 RS.
No, more cars. Where's Beaver going? Come back, baby. Come back, baby.
August Luxury Motor Cars.
884 McCurdy Place where car shopping is easier than you think.
With Matt August himself. This is the McLaren MP412C,
Highly modified car that you guys have come to know and love.
Today is the final voyage, bon voyage, because
It's waving goodbye, look.
one of you lucky guys, if you want, can come and pick this car up. So much carbon. All right, boys, let's go. Final drive. Get the hell off your phone.
Unfortunately, Damon, I got some work to do. I'm playing Raid Shadow Legends, which happens to be today's sponsor. We're gonna go inside, play some games.
All right, it's game time. Mike's not here. I don't think he works anymore.
Alright guys, do you want to be a hero of your own fantasy? Well, Raid Shadow Legends is an awesome game with crazy graphics and honestly a lot of fun. I've been playing it for months. First thing you'll notice is the crazy graphics and gameplay. Let's go ahead and open up shards. The thing is, it doesn't really matter if you get a good one or a bad one because they're all useful. If you get a good one, you can use them to level up. And if you get a bad one, you can sacrifice it in order to level up one of your good champions. And I want to summon a few more. Oh, that's sick. It kind of looks like Damon, actually. Doesn't it? Okay, let's do another one. Oh yeah, the Pounder. That one's super sick. Skills. He's a Bone Breaker level 1, attacks one enemy, and has a 25% chance of placing a 25% debuff in 2 turns. Dude, this thing has so many epic skills. Tower of Power. Time to summon another shard. Wow, the graphics are super epic. Look at this one. That's sick. Judge level 1 for the Dark Elves clan. And here's all the epic skills. Look at this. Challenge yourself to your edge in the ongoing tournaments. Compete against the entire raid community while fighting the Spider's Den, Ice Golem's Peak, the Almighty Fire Knight, or the Notorious Dragon. All right, let's check out some of the champions. That is unreal. Can you believe the detail and graphics in this game? I don't even think it's real. So what are you waiting for? Click the link in the description to download Raid now and get exclusive rewards. If you're a new player, you'll get 100,000 silver plus 2 clan boss keys, 10 mystery shards, and 1 free champion, the Executioner, which is a really awesome champion that you can only normally get after playing the game for a long time. All this treasure will be waiting for you here. The rewards will only be available for new players and only for the next 30 days. So when you buy this car, you're gonna get a whole experience, which we'll talk about later in the video. For now, I wanna do one last bon voyage. A voyage would be a hello, wouldn't it? A bon voyage. Damon, get in, hold the camera. I will do all the talking. Don't talk, don't talk, don't talk. Don't say a word.
I'm honestly gonna really miss this car. Probably my favorite upgrade that we've ever done. We did just this moment. Boom.
That's right, you got fuzzy dice in the mirror.
Mike Hall, when I bought his Huracan, I gave him his car for the past week. They bought another Huracan because he's bougie, but these are literally his.
Those are
And the
his.
steering was like, Mike,
You had to readjust.
what are you, 4 feet? Like, he's like this. What happened? Joke aside, I'm really gonna miss this car, but in order to fund the Huracan build, we are doing a twin turbo kit. It's gonna be an insane car. It's gonna cost probably $100,000 to build it, and I need to sell the McLaren to fund it, so that's why she's going.
Hold on, seatbelt, seatbelt, before I get off the lot. No, it's locked, it's locked.
What?
Okay, don't get us in trouble. I do not want to go to jail and do not get the car impounded. The odds are Dave getting the car impounded right now, you know, the last ride is like saying you're going to do one more lap on the track. It's a very dangerous thing.
Buy the car from the impound lot. That's a full experience.
This is one of the fastest cars on the channel we've ever had.
I don't want to sell this car. What am I doing? I love this car. Whoever buys this car, no bullshit. For the money we're going to sell it for,
You're getting every mod we did for free. Downpipes, the tune, the exhaust. The exhaust is a $12,000 kit. $10,000 wheels because they're forged wheels from Pure. You got a couple of grand in brand new tires from XCOM.
I did the math on it. I spent about $40,000
Yeah.
upgrading this car. This car, and this is the truth, has been so reliable. The most reliable car in the fleet.
Now who's gonna get it? Who's gonna fly out and buy it? Just like the R8.
Yeah, remember Alex? Alex.
That
We
car's
killed
still
that.
kicking
Yeah.
around. He loves that car.
He's loving that car. Started a YouTube channel with that car.
Drove it all the way across the country in the middle of winter with his dad.
He enjoys that car every day, and I see it all the time, and it's still alive. Like, people tag me in the post still. Like, when this car goes to the next person, it'll live on forever.
You're gonna miss it. Let's do some more polls. The people are here for the polls. The dice flew off.
The dice are
They flew
included.
off the
They
mirror.
are included. Air brake, air brake.
Oh, do the air brake again. Hold on.
The air brake is included.
Listen to this thing. You're down and just.
Oh, dude, I love this car. Honestly, like, this is a real emotion right now. I'm really gonna miss this car. We've done everything we can with it, and this is YouTube. We need content. We need new and exciting for you guys. So the car's gotta go. The good news is that you will buy this car and enjoy it. I'll come hang out with you and drive your car whenever I feel like it. Part of the deal, right? I can drive whenever I want.
And we were back at 884 McCurdy Place, August Luxury Motor Cars. Car buying made easy. Go.
Goddamn! I said goddamn! Woo! Well, wasn't me, officer. I was looking for a Buick Regal. This one's really nice. It's a 2012. It's actually got a full warranty, which is really nice. Been inspected recently. I wasn't driving that McLaren, so I gotta go now.
Sounds dangerous out here.
You created this monster.
I
We're
did.
selling this car, dude.
It's sad.
Good news is that you should buy this car, actually. You wanna buy this car?
I do.
We'll do in-house financing.
Holy
Two of us.
crap. We have to take this off, make it an 868, and you owe me one.
So let's talk about all the modifications that you're gonna get on this car.
We have a brand new wrap from Mirror Image. You have Battleship Gray and it's satin. So it really highlights all the lines on this car. A brand new set of pure forged wheels. Now, these wheels are stunning. It's got motorsport look and design, wrapped in brand new Gladiator XCOM tires. As well as we have a $12,000, as you heard, FI exhaust with the carbon fiber top mount, shoots flames, thanks again Tawny, and the downpipes were also installed while we were in LA. SR Auto Group provided a higher carbon fiber air brake / wing, which gives you the look and feel of a hypercar, yet on a supercar dollar value.
Specific, in case you're wondering, it has sole downpipes, the Gintani tune, the FI exhaust, and the Zayco carbon fiber hood. That's hot.
Did you just
Ow, I
touch
just burnt
that?
myself.
Why did
that
you
was a dumb
touch-
decision. What's wrong with me? I need to make better choices.
I can't believe you just touched that.
Last video, we did a delete here, so it's all solid now, super clean.
Everything's been done
Car's
properly.
good to go.
Car's good to go. You have the orange rear diffuser highlighted. And, well, you can change up the livery if you really wanted to.
How much are we selling this car for, Damon? Because people want to know right now.
This car is gonna go for only, basically what they had listed for before, 169,000 Canadian doll hairs.
One right there.
Right? You want 169 Canadian doll hairs for this.
That's how many doll hairs.
169. This is 125,000 USD. That is a steal of a deal. Come to August Luxury Motor Cars, 884 McCurdy Place.
August Luxury Motor Cars big used car sale. A blowout sale. It's priced to sell. The best buy in town. And today's special.
Whoever takes this, we will come here and we will film an entire delivery. We'll go for a drive with you.
We need to do one last montage, Jamie.
Well, Dave, Matt, and I give this car a moment of silence and everybody can have a little memory of some of the greatest McLaren moments we've had.
Oh, I wish that you hadn't pulled the trigger. Shut me down with my bitter heart.
My father has never been in a supercar.
That's not brakes you smell.
People are gonna freak out when they see this. Daughter Mia driving a supercar on the freaking road.
Footsteps lead everywhere
Holy guys.
I go. I never was.
Holy
Bad boys.
no, I missed the light. I missed the lights I was watching.
Dave is at the intersection. Oh, there he is. Yeah, he's gonna go straight through.
Things that we wanted, I know it was so good together. And I just let go. Oh, I wish that you
And boom, we're back at Mirror Image Customs because it's time to start modifying the Huracan. It's naked and it has this, hold on. Well, there's Slowpoke Fryer and the C8, which by the way, that also needs to get wrapped, I think. What took you so long?
Need some power upgrades. Somebody's gotta unlock the freaking ECU on this thing.
Driving nuts that my cars are all faster than your cars right now.
Cars are faster, but with you driving, they're always slow. I just thought I'd give you a head start to get here. So you probably were talking to the camera before I got here.
Saying that it's time to wrap the Huracan because it's, you know, just black and it needs to be wrapped some color. But I also think we should wrap the C8. Damon's always known as the crazy wraps. We had the 458 crazy zebra stripes and all that stuff. Then there's a camo. Now he has a red Corvette. How old are you? I think we need to go crazy on the C8 and make it fun because everyone has a C8. Go. Back through the gates. Hey, it's Andy.
Hey!
We got a new car, Andy.
This thing's sick.
And guess what? It's the rapper's dream. It's black.
That's exactly it.
It's just a Huracan, don't get too excited.
Yeah.
We've all had them already.
I was gonna say, I'm pretty sure you guys have
Dave's
one.
last. Still too nice for Dave.
I think it's time that I go controversial on the color choices.
Let's get you to match the Corvette.
No.
You gotta go something new.
How about like purple and pink?
I'm down with purple. Bubblegum pink?
No.
Very controversial.
No.
Especially when you pull up, they're expecting like a hot blonde and get middle-aged bald guy.
Found something?
Yep.
You like it?
It's controversial.
It's controversial.
It's gonna change the internet forever.
I like that design that you guys are looking at right now.
Dude,
I think it'd be really sick.
Lots of colors.
there's a lot going on. It suits my personality because it's definitely not serious. Yeah. Bluetooth.
Doesn't even have any personality.
I want Bluetooth decals. Big Bluetooth.
Is that trademarked?
That stopped us before. Wink, wink. Banali. I would say it's one of the craziest wraps we've ever done here at Daily Joe Exotics.
Well, you're throwing that out there, hey?
No.
Damon,
No.
please. The C8.
No.
Please, Damon.
No.
Please.
The world's first chrome
Let's do
gold.
a wrap that matches your Fitbit. So rose gold, blue, and chrome.
With a little bit of blue. Oh, that'd be awful.
Okay, so we have a plan
have a
for
plan.
the Huracan. The C8, it sounds like you're debating right now whether to wrap it or not.
I am.
It's so
I'm a
boring, it's
master
red.
debater. I like your idea. We're gonna roll with that first. And the C8, I don't know.
All right, guys, thank you for watching this episode. If you want to buy my McLaren, and I hope you do, I love that car, 169,000 Canadian dollars, about 120,000 USD. When you buy that car, we'll do a full DD experience. We'll hang out, we'll go for a drive, we'll grab dinner. If you're out of town, we'll get you a nice hotel. I'll put a link in the description to August's website. Hit them up if you're a serious buyer, please. They're busy people. Make sure you're serious about it. And download Raid Shadow Legends right now. If you love the game as much as I do, download the game, grab some merch, smash the like button, and well, have a good night. Maybe we should just sell the C8. What do you say? Buy you a McLaren 720S you always wanted?
I could do that.
Want to do that, Damon?
I could do that.
I'm just gonna go over here to my office.
Now you're talking my language.
I'll see you later.
Bye.
He's not getting a 720S. There's no way. I'm getting a 720S. It's time for Dave to take over the channel. Right? We've had enough of Damien. He's like 41, he's bored, he's tired, has a red C8 and he's happy. Obviously something's not